much water your people and people are selling right or so. Yo, it's serious, you know, man. People are selling right or so, people. And them water your sewage water this. You cannot smell it. Look to the left, people. Man, if that's not heavy. Falls here, that enough, people. Yeah. Falls here, that. Man, if that's not heavy for you. That literally a brush her ankle him.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another driving through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And I just want to welcome you to another video right now. Yeah, you understand, it's another driving through Jamaica, and currently we're in the town of Old Harbour. Yeah, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Right this over there right now, people. Yeah. And it's a Friday afternoon. You get what I say? Yeah, man, Friday afternoon. And right about now, as you pretty much see in the titling and everything, we're heading to St. Thomas, people. So we're going to go a Marabay roundabout. And that's how we're going to end it, alright? Yeah. So we're in St. Catherine and we are driving to St. Thomas, people, alright? Yeah. So we just want to tell you to say, yo, this one is going to be a really long one, alright? So brace on yourself, feet. Alright? Yeah, man. That journey, I going to be, yeah, It gonna have some length to it. Alright, on Friday, we don't know how the traffic stay in other places are, so, but Fridays can be a bit hectic, you know. So, I'm going to see what I go on, see? Yeah, man, I'm going to see what I go on. But did I plan to me that I take the toll or something, but I say, you know what, no. Because, you know, the journey, if you have like a thing to it, you know? Yeah, man, we can have like a sightseeing and all of that. Because if you take the highway, we know how that I go. Bush pan two side and the long road in front of you, you understand? Yeah. So right about now, as usual, we're going to check the temperature. Alright? So I'm going to see what I go on. Hey Siri, what's the temperature like?
It's about 86 degrees outside.
Yo, I wonder if you hear that got the phone turned on low, you know. Make we go again one more time. Hey Siri. Hold on, I'm going to let pass that truck here. Wait there. Alright. Hey Siri, what's the temperature like?
It's about 86 degrees outside.
86 degrees outside, people. Alright. Yeah. So 86 degrees on a Friday afternoon, and as I say, we make way go to St. Thomas right now. Yo, this is one of my longest journey them I ever make. Like, yeah, this is gonna be one of my longest video them people. Alright, as I say, we're there in a Old Harbor. We make way now. We're gonna take the whole road in every way. So we're gonna try to take the whole way them. So as I say, that journey, you know, we're gonna hold on the people. I think right there, so yeah, they might make a bridge. You see me to the right hand side there, so yeah, I think they might be like a bridge or something. Yeah. So alright people, yeah, so me I say yo, right about now we are gonna take on a journey and we are going straight in a Spanish town. When we reach a Spanish town, we are gonna go through the town. As we say, it's a Friday. We don't know the place busy, we don't know the thing go. You see me, we are gonna go through the town and see how it's set up in the town of Spain. Then we are gonna make my way go downtown. And I might carry on through a little part of downtown too. It all depends. I can see how the timing go. And then look at something there. You get what I say? Yeah. And then we are going to go, you know, East Queen Street. Carry on through East Kingston right up, and we know how to go all the way out to Sir Florizel Glasspool. How that? Highway or Boulevard, yeah. Oh, that's how we are going to go. Alright? Yeah, people. That's how we are going to do it. People, I don't think I can chat the whole of the journey. But I think I can chat the whole of the journey. Because this is going to be a journey, you know. And I think I can chat the whole of the journey. You get what I say? But I can see it go now. Yeah, I can see it go, alright? Yeah, man. I can see it go. And I just want to shout out all of my new subscribers, them, all of the new people them over here. Just to say how big up on yourself, you get what I say? Yeah man, manners and respect, you know, every time, you understand? Yeah man, taxi the back of me and drive like a road dog, see me? Yeah, it's a Spanish town car that people, it want to take 10 minutes from here to go to Spain. So them drive, you see me? So see him shot the next taxi there and go around, so them drive people. Yeah, so them drive on the road, you see him each up back of the man down there, so? Yeah, so them drive, you see me? Oh yeah man, we just want to say shout out to all of the new subscribers, them, all of the new people them over here. Is when I say my name is 876 by birth, and we just drive around Jamaica and we just chat off for mouth. You get what I say? Yeah man, that's so we do it, you see me? Yeah man, that's so we do it, so we do it people. So we do it over here, so you get me? Yeah man. And we just say I hope everything is good where you are, you know? Yeah man, I hope in a phone little corner everything alright. You see me? Yeah man, see me overtake a go and watch a truck, something here come, not a truck, but oh, it turn. But yeah man, I saw them drive on the road, people. Them man are watch a taxi and mobile taxi. Them deal with speed. Yeah. So yeah man, my people, I hope everything is good in a phone neck of the woods, you understand? Yeah man. And if it's not 100% good, I hope within a couple of days it might be 100% good. You see what I say? Yeah. We're there up on the journey, you know, people. Yeah, man, we're there up on the journey, you see me? Yeah, man, when last we make a little road trip in Jamaica, yeah? Yeah, people them will live here. When last we take a little road trip. And the people them overseas, when you come down, when last we just drive out some part of the island and see what go on and see how some place look, some place we never see long time. We don't have to do that more while, man. Yeah, man. Yes, yeah, man, we don't have to do it more while, man. Yes, right. Check out some place we never see long time. Or you can just sit down and watch my video them. I'll take you there. Yeah, my people, you see me? No thing go, man. Yeah, my people. Also with the people, I want to remember to click like on the video them, you know, please and thanks. I can ask you, just click like on the video right now, no, please and thanks, yeah. Click like on the video right. No, please. Yeah. That's what I say. I remember for always drop on a comment. You get what I say? Yeah, man. I remember for share the video, people. Like, drop the thing in our little WhatsApp group, no, man. Drop the thing in our WhatsApp group, man. Oh, little family group and them little group they wanna have, man. Stop going, man. Share the video in the WhatsApp group, man, and stop going, man. When they say, how about this? You say, yeah, man, take in a youth and drive around Jamaica, man. Because when they have the WhatsApp group, the little family group and them little thing there, you know, man. I want to share all sort of thing. Yeah, man, our auntie, when she ready, she just share some little something. We don't even know what that. No. So share the video in the WhatsApp group and tell them to share it in any other group for them in it too. You understand? Yeah, man. That's what I say. Yeah, my people. Yes, sight. So they are me go here, my people. We just pass through a little place near Gutters, I think, you know. Yeah. I go and make a little way, you know. I take a little time. Place kind of overcast, a little way. But you know Jamaica already still, you see me? Yeah, mild cloudy, them look weird, but it hot same way as when you hear the temperature. When I heard the temperature earlier, some people are selling jelly right or so. Yeah. Just sight one little piece of the train. Yeah, man, the real road, like the train, sorry, I think it run from, I think Linstead to Spanish Town, or maybe even downtown, I'm not sure. But I think for right now, I think a school that it carry. Yeah, so it carry school children. I think it run like Monday to Friday. One of the day them, I gotta check it out, people. One of the day them, if it's a case where I can go up on it, I go up on it and show no walk one. You see me? Yeah. It not really have no buzz nor nothing to it, cause again I probably a whole heap of people not even know say, you know, the train start run back in Jamaica. You see me? Cause as me say, no little buzz, no they tweet, no little nothing, you know. But being in a Spanish town and I see schoolers that come from our fight. Then I all by myself too and I see schoolers that come our fight. So but I don't sure if a schoolers alone it carry, but I go check it out one of the day them and I bring it up on a journey upon it, you see me? Yeah man. Bring it up on a journey upon it, man, one of the day them, you see me? Yeah. I mean, I say big up to the people them where I watch a video them and I comment, you know, you understand? You big up on yourself, man, and know the thing go. You see me? The people them where I comment and I tell me some place where them want me to go on them thing there, listen to me. Me I go do it, alright? But what I want you to understand, you know. You see when me drop a video, me have other content too. You get what me I say? So, what me I do, I run out them content there. You get what me I say? Yeah, I run out them content there, and then you will see your place where you want, your request where you have, you will see it pop up. The brother they just shut out and overtake and the police them down here, you know. People know say the police them there, you know, because I see them, you know, when me I come, you know. Yeah, man, I see them when me I come, man. You see me? My laugh like him know that, him know one of them. So yeah man, so don't feel like me neglect on the thing, you know. Don't feel like me neglect on the thing. I go carry on the one I want to see and duplicate something there. But whole heap of content there before. So when you not comment on a video and everything there, you get me I say. So more than likely, when I see a comment, like me drop, like when I see that me drop a video you know, if somebody comment and tell me say them want me go somewhere or whatever, I will deal with it. You get what I say? But you're not going to see it immediately because me I go a record after this. You understand? Yeah, and more time a whole heap of footage people. Right now, for my hard drive people, a whole heap of footage pack up on it. Me I tell you no straight truth. A whole heap of footage pack up on it people. You get me? Yeah man, endless amount of footage. Me have over let me see, I don't want to tell a lie. Alright, me have over 2 terabytes worth of footage. You see me? Yeah, and me just have, me don't want to exaggerate or nothing, but put it at 2. But I could have way more than that. And as you know, 1 terabyte or 1000 gig. So 2 terabyte, over 2000 gig worth of footage me have seen. Although you know I'm recording a 4K, so you know my footage them a little bit larger, the file them a little bit larger, but still a whole heap, like, yeah, a whole heap of footage me have seen me. A whole heap of footage that people, may I tell you now. So when they ask me to go somewhere, yes, I'm gonna go there. And more than likely, somebody will comment something from before, ask me to go somewhere, but do it already, but you just not see it yet because other footage there before that, you get me? I want the video them to be as current as possible. I don't want to drop a video 2-3 months after I do it, you get me? So yeah, right now because I'm kind of busy, I kind of only upload on like Saturday and Sunday. I try squeeze in 1 and 2 days in the week to do the upload. I know I have to edit it and re. So I try to squeeze it in, but kind of busy right now. I tell you no people, kind of busy right now. So I try. I only can upload like as I say Saturday, Sunday. And if you see certain time pass on a Saturday or a Sunday, I'm gonna upload it. It doesn't know it's gonna upload now to come again. You understand? Yeah. You see how 1 o'clock pass or so, you know it's gonna upload now to come again. You get me? Yeah man. So I try people, I try balance everything, you get me? Yeah. Try balance everything. And what else am I telling you? Oh, people, I need you to check out. I need you to check out my other channel, people. I want to check out my other channel, see it? I want to check out my real estate channel. You understand? I start drop some footage on it now. I drop a video already. Maybe by the time you go over there, maybe 2, 3, 4 video might over there by now. I don't know when that one you going to drop yet. So maybe by the time you hear this and I watch this, I have about 4 or so video over there. If not, you will still go over there. Go and go subscribe to it. In the real estate with 876 by Bergs. Yeah, just go and go subscribe to it. You see me I say? Check out little thing. We have a property where we are working on right now. We are trying to get it up and running for Airbnb. We need to pass this to people because look a small stone them a fly up on the windscreen. It look like a sand in there still, but tap some little pebble in there. Yeah, we need to pass a truck here. But yeah, my people, so I want to go over there, I want to check out the channel. You see me? Check your money and overtake a come down. I want to go over there, I want to check out the channel, alright? Yeah man, check it out my people. Check out my also my some of the channel as well. Wanna check out my podcast channel as well. It named Candy Talk with 876 by Bergs. You see me? Yeah man, just go check out that too. You understand? Yeah. And we have a vlog channel called Rabba and Jamaican. When you check out that too. You understand? So a few little channels me have here people, as I said the aim, I have to get them up to 1,000 subs. So just go over there, go subscribe to them and thing. And as you know, yeah, the video them will roll in. You understand? Yeah man. The real estate channel me have some little clippings and things when I record already for it, as I say. You know, but then in the process I edit them. So just make sure you're over there so we see where it drop and see everything will go on. Over there so we're gonna do everything real estate. From renting and properties, we're gonna feature them there. Properties we are rent, properties we are sell, and both private and commercial, you see me? Yeah. Building like the construction of properties. All of them little things that we are gonna start a feature over the people, you see me? So just go over there from now, you see me? And just share this, just show the same love over there, so you see me? Drop in the comment, share the video them, like the video them, same thing people, you see me? Just go over there, go do the same thing, you understand? Yeah man. So right now we're up on Old Harbour Road people, yeah. Old Harbour Road we're up on. And the journey not bad so far still, you know, not much delays and things, telling you the truth, you see me? Yeah, not much delays. Harbour Road with the bad people. So reaching at the town, a Spanish town, you know? Yeah. Also, you know, my people, we plan for go down and see some people are request for go up on the west end and thing. Yeah man, we are go down there man, you see me? We are go down there. So I tell you now what the pre now. We want to go down them side there. We don't want to go down there one day and have to come up back. You understand? We actually want to go down there, spend, you know, a couple days and thing down there. But as I said, I'm kind of busy right now. I have to there, so can't live out tight. You know, I can't live out too far from Kingston right now. I have to be in a close proximity, alright? But as I say, we want to go down there, spend a couple days, you know, find one little place and go and jam a couple days, and every day we just go explore on the other side. Do you understand? Yeah, that I really want to do. You get me? So as soon as I free up, we're going to take it on, my people. You see me? Yeah, man. Plan for run through back to Manchester. And as I say, we want to run through down Westmoreland side, Niggerland side there. Yeah. Want to take on them little parts. You get me? Yeah, my people. So, we not neglect you, we not neglect you people. You understand? I don't know me as a town man here, but we not neglect you. See? We are going to go to place them, man. We are going to place them. Just be here with a little tip. You see me? Yeah, man. Just be here with a little tip, man, my people. Alright? Yeah. So we have little traffic delay right now. I'm not sure what caused this. You know, the roundabout is up there, so the roundabout is a little way right there, so still, but well, not too far. But I'm not too sure, you know, what really caused a little delay. But we still take our time, you know, and do a thing, you know. Yeah. Still take our time and do a thing, my people. And as I say, brace yourself for that journey, because it's going to be a little, you know, yeah, but the journey is applicable into it. As you see on the screen, you can see the time, you see me, how long this journey is. So you know that go. You see me? Yeah. Alright, it's a free up little. Sometimes on the road them too, you know, those people just they drive slow, you know. Yeah, more time on a big thing, and those people that drive slow. People is a white girl that drive over there. Well, either she white or she high, like brown. Her complexion high, you see me? And she have her dog in there and thing. I wonder which part she go come from, because the van dirty. And the only place to see them dirty vehicle right now with the people are St. Thomas, you know. Yeah. The only place to see them. It would be funny if I out there she come from and I go back out there now. Yeah. So yeah, my people. Whole Harbour Road with that one, you know? Yeah. Now vicinity are like Homestead, them place there, yeah. And the people have, hey, you have some people, you know, them ram still, you know. Yo, I can't drive past nowhere where famous or popular and I mention it, you know, because the people them at it, you know, man. Yeah, man, big up them people too, you see me, wherever I say, yo, you pass this side, you never tell me about this and, yo. People would have to know this too, you know. Me don't know everywhere, you know. Yeah, me don't know everywhere. I might know it and know it look, know my way around it, but some place me don't know what it name. All them things them people, because I'm telling you, sometimes I edit some of the video them too, and I literally have to pull up my maps. I have to pull up maps, either I pull up Waze, or I pull up Google Maps, or some map, something, and go search for the place, like the name of the road or name of the area. You see me? Yeah, I literally have to do that enough time to wait when me edit. I have to do that to people because I don't know everywhere, you see me? So, you know, and sometimes I might talk about something different, fly past the place them, you see me? Yeah, but you don't crucify me more time if you don't hear me mention one place where I'm there and them look at something there. I can just not know it, you see me? Can just know it, people. Alright, so right now, we're currently there at the Old Harbour boat, the Old Harbour Road roundabout. Yeah, that's how we're currently there right now, and I make a way now, going to the town, so you know we're gonna pass like Thai Spin area right there, so and you know, a few other little places them, yeah. So that's the thing there, you see me? Yeah, man. Alright, so white girl or brown girl gone on the bypass. Yeah. And people, Spanish Town bypass puzzle me more while, you know, because it's a bypass, meaning you have to bypass the town. So you're supposed to escape the traffic and something. I mean, I'm telling you these people, the traffic where they on Spanish Town bypass more while, better only take through the town, because you don't have them congestion through the town. Mark you, you know, I'm not saying a congestion. Alright, stick up in. So Thai spin over here on my left hand side, alright? Yeah man, Thai spin that, and I think Leslie Pen, they on the right. Don't quote me, I'm not sure. But I think so. Alright? I don't know Thai spin a different name it have, you know it. Well, the original name is Thai's Meadows. Yeah. See them on the sign right just up on my left. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah, but you know them place and really have them have like two names. Them have the garrison name and then you see me? Yeah. They have the good name. You understand? Yeah man. So yeah, as I say now, like the congestion in the town real sometime, you know. Whole heap of traffic, you know, don't get me wrong, you know. But it now move faster than the bypass. I mean I say oh this. Yeah, it move faster than the bypass people. All the while. You know? I don't know how. And then more time most of the congestion now, like don't you so? More time I like delivery or taxi I pick up somebody because you have some little wholesale pan them part I don't you say, you see me? So yeah, more time you have some of them little things they are going and that really causes congestion. But the bypass now we're supposed to move free. No, I mean I know. I mean the bypass have some what you call it? It have stoplight and them little thing there, you know, but it's slow man. I tell you it's slow. Anybody will travel through all Spanish Town regularly, just drop in the comment section if that are your same experience. Let me know what you think. You see me? Oh yeah, we'll be a skull in a town of Spain right now, you know, people. Yeah, town of Spanish Town. Yeah, this out there right now. Have to good time. I wonder if a cat that don't even know. I even see him one, you know. Policeman in name cat, you know, man. The man say if you don't have a ticket, you don't have a chance, you know, man. Sample man, you know, man. Yeah, man. Them man, they say ticket. So still in the town, the man I mean no way up on the car here. Car the well ram stuck. Sorry, my friend. I should step hard, you know. Alright, people, so we have to take good time on my cool. You could cook shop there about the place of people can smell some food that kick up. You know the guys to cook shop them bad already, you know, do it already. And then pack up your box of food. I don't know what that thing got on. Yeah man, guys to cook shop them pack up your box of food, man. You see me? Yeah. Little small box them, I don't know them sell cheap too. Like, you know, big restaurant. Yeah man, guys to cook shop them or something else, man. Alright people, so we take the time and make we go down in the town now. We go down in front of the club. We could all drive around so you know. Yeah, we could all drive around so we're on the courthouse side too. And go around, but you more want to see that little section there so. Yeah, we just say how we could take it there so, you know? Yeah man. China them they build up something. So man you walk in a road here. Fresh not to the pop. As me tell you no more time, I just the little delivery more while. Yeah, make the place kinda congested and thing, is it? Just a load everything I go on and say. Yeah man, I town and Spain this pan on Friday, you know? Yeah. See the clock right there, so. Spanish Town Shopping Center. Right on the right in there, so. Bus a load over there, so. Some man not drive very much drive. We have the bird that drive now. Play them two man here play. I look out for all the pedestrians between the people. Because in Jamaica, you know man, people are around for walk out in a road, you know man. Yeah man, them have a style, them can't lick me down. And sometimes you drive, you never see them, you know man. Jaggy man, so. Them girls that walk up, they feel like you're well long. Look to the left, people. Man, if that's not heavy. Falls here, that's enough, people. Yeah. Falls here, that. Man, if that's not heavy, PR. That literally a brush her ankle him. Yeah, people. Watch your pops. Yeah, man. Spanish Town, these people, you see me? Yeah. People, as I say, nobody watch the congestion here because the bypass worse than this people. Telling them. you could have said with a quarter of a journey still. Yeah. With a quarter of a journey. I wonder if we feel... Alright, no, I wonder if we should have got through Portmore for shorten it still. But no. I just go and take good time. I go here so go 3 mile and go. Yeah, I go here so and go 3 mile and things, see? Yeah, that we go do. Go 3 mile and go down Spanish Town Road. Yeah, I take it that route there. I take it that way there. No water. Water from the brother. What 2 of them there? Oh, go on. What, but they come like ice in them one?
Yeah, ice in them one.
Alright, give me work with 2 of them. Okay. Give me the ice one. Make it 1,000. Want to change? Respect, yeah?
Yeah,
man, bless. Alright, people. So I just grab some water, cause far journey for go and I know I got thirsty. But as a matter of fact, I kind of look thirsty too, so I just grab the water, people, and the place hot, you know, and as I tell you now. So yeah. A little congestion again, so I don't know what to pre. But right out in the vicinity of people, a Spanish Town cross from the hospital or the clinic there, so I say you can get the Ochi taxi them and the Ochi bus. Or Ruby's gas station then they just forward out there. Once they forward out them, I tell you. And they say you get them, you see me? Yeah man, the Ochi vehicle them man. But them deal with speed, people. Them deal with speed. Them want left from here and take 30 minutes or less to reach our Ochi people. So them work. You understand? Yeah. So them work my people. People, remember to click like on the video, remember to click like on the video, alright? And if I go quiet to do too crucify me, because I say this is a long video, so I don't know if I can chat the whole of the way. You understand? Yeah. Alright, so little traffic up there, so I don't know if it's something why I see the bus here just turn back. Yeah, so I don't know if something I'm up there, so why the traffic there. I'm not too sure, but but I make a way still. I see what's going on out there. Take your time, make a look away. Sometimes you have like police checkpoint and them something there too, you know, so I not even know. You understand? But I make a look away. Someone they turn back, so I guess he might go up on the bypass around this. So. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Oh, some people are drive round this so. Okay. They might drive up on the left hand side over there, so they might drive over there. Yeah, because as I say, I don't really sure what take place down there, so you know. We shall probably try chop it round there too, you know, people. That we shall probably do, you know. But we could see what I go on still. Yeah, some people are beating on the soft shoulder over there, so. If I go down further, I see traffic still there, I can go over there because I think you have a little cutout from the left hand side down there, so. So, I can see what I go on for it. Yeah man, the traffic look steady I go out there, so you know. We have a good way for going up, people. We can't take no big delay right now, you know, you understand, yeah? Because remember, you don't have St. Thomas with feet set a bad road already where you delay upon it one. Here you get me? So yeah. We're going to go over there still. We'll go over there. As soon as we reach a little cutout down there, so we'll go over there. So what is the name? Greendale, people. Spanish town? Yeah, Greendale. Alright? Yeah. Yeah man, the traffic looks steady I go, you know, people. It looks serious I go there, people. I'm not telling you no lie. On the left over there, so we could have take it. On like a side part over there, so. And I don't know why, because you don't even see much traffic come down, you know, towards me. So, we not even know exactly what to pray. Yeah, we not too know exactly, people. Well, look like the cut out the way down so I think it near up here, so, but look like it the way down so. Yeah. Maybe which part me I go end up can go at this, everybody will come up through. Music I play, people. You know, I don't want to take too much of that music so here, you know. Turn on the air conditioner a little bit so I don't want to hear a little nice and thick. Yeah. I try to prep some vehicle come out up there, so I don't know if for which part of the vehicle they might come out. Well, like this some would have cut on back still, so I don't even know. It look like my cable gonna further if I cut go around this, so like I would have this some have to come out too. But it seems like the traffic is still ahead of this. I look, I see police siren, I see a radar car, a police car up there with the lights in my flash. Let me see, it come towards me or it park up there. Look like it park. Hold on, we can't see good up there yet, people. Hold on, yeah, it look like it park. Hold on, I see a next, I see a police van up there now. But I know right down there so we have the police training school as well to people. Yeah, we have the training school right down there, so turn down this. Yeah, we have the training school down there, so So I'm not sure exactly. Now we are here, the car make noise. So some man in the back. Yeah. Some man in the back of that. Yeah, so some man in the back of that. Come like something up, man, cause a little bit of people here. You know? Yeah. Yeah, there's a little thing going. There's people here. Here for the way they must. Well, we're not here properly still, but it come like something up. Oh yeah, something up, man. Come like some dispute or something. Yeah, man, I heard this to people. Yeah. So no, this is Jamaica for you, yeah. Alright, so the traffic's supposed to ease up, you know. Yeah. So of course, them people are now on the side that wouldn't have faced the delays now. So out there, so now my people are actually Twickenham Park, yeah? Yeah, man, so the police training school up on my left hand side, right there, so. Yeah, right there, so the entrance, so you see them people with the flashing lights. Yeah. Yeah, man. On the right hand side, they sell freshwater fish. Just in case you want freshwater fish one day, you know where to come get it. Yeah, I think they're out here every day too. Yeah, Sunday to Sunday, people. Yeah, see them people that face them like the delays here too. Really that bad still. Yeah. So on the right over there, so we have Jose Marti High School. On the left here, so we have like bird paper place, and we have the tax office, alright? Yeah. So if you don't know, now you know. Yeah, man. On the right hand side is a housing scheme built by Housing Trust, which is called Twickenham Glades, I think, yeah. And then building up on the right at the National Housing Trust, the Spanish Town branch. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, my people. And as you know now, we are entering the Central Village vicinity right now. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see if we can chop road, you know, people. Because traffic kind of slow down a while ago. You understand? Yeah. Village out there, so our White Mall out there, so people, you see me? Yeah, man, as you can see, them Windsor Heights up on the left there, so that's the entrance to go up there, compound, you see me? Yeah. Of course, on there, so you know, entrance can carry up to Chinatown. I think, but yeah, man, Spanish Town hardcore garage to them here, you know, people, you see me? Yeah, man, Chinatown, I don't know, place, you see? Yeah. So, just take good time, man, I make a way, alright? Yeah, man. And if you actually did go like Coachy side, like if you want to go on the north coast, we'd go around here, so carry up on the north coast highway, you understand? Yeah, we'd take the left here and go around. Drop up on the north coast highway, you see me? Carry go up in the hills and things, carry go straight in a Coachy area center and them place there, you understand? Yeah. Right about now, people, we are about to go take it now on Mandela Highway, yeah? Mandela Highway over there right now, people, you understand? Yeah. Mandela Highway. As you know, if we go Portmore, we would have take the right turn and down here the stoplight. Yeah. Carry around in our city. Portmore City. Why the van man drives so slow stills, but yeah, watch a donkey cart here, people. Watch a donkey cart here, jelly myself, you know. Yeah, jelly myself. Right, people. So, look a vehicle up on the road there still, you know. Yeah, look a vehicle up on the road there still. You get me? Yeah. Plus I take a little time still and I go through. Make way go down a 3 mile section. We're going to go under the bridge and reach a 3 mile, people. Yeah, I got underneath the bridge car, I don't know. See none of them wiper glass you there. If the light catch you, yeah, we just get a wipe off our glass, you know? Yeah. So right now we're in a ferry vicinity. Yeah, you ever hear about ferry? By Mandela? Yeah. And right about now we are leave St. Catherine, go over in the parish of St. Andrew. So we're officially in the parish of St. Andrew now, people. So as I heard in the beginning of the video, and you see it already on the screen, and some of you know where we are go. So it's a cross parish drive. So we left out of St. Catherine now, we in a St. Andrew, and we are making way. See it? Yeah. Ideal High School left on the left side, there's some people, you know, Ideal group of schools. I think them have like the infant, the prep, and the high. Yeah. Yeah man, so we're gonna chop road for a little bit, as we said a little delay a while ago, kind of mess up, you know? Yeah. Man, they tell a man, I say, yo, slow down. I want them two people, I have to watch the road rage, you know. Time I run with the man a while ago, then I tell the man, say, to slow down. I have to watch the road rage, you know, people, when they are road, you know. Yeah. Watch out, look how he must cut over in front of that man, yeah. Over on a white plate, but he might drive like a red plate, like a taxi man. Or a bus man. Alright, so we are 6 miles right now, my people. Yeah. 6 miles with it. You see me? Spanish Town Road right now, people. You understand? Yeah. So when I road them drive the worst span in Jamaica. Especially LiQWYD house bus them. 82, the yellow bus. Oh gosh, man. Them man they drive like I don't even know what to say. So as you know, the Spanish Town Road are full of a whole heap of different community, you know, leading our fight, you see me? Yeah man, as you know, you have Riverton, LiQWYD, you see me? Yeah. Go further down, you find Sea View, you know a thing, you can cut the waterhouse, you don't know a thing, man. Whole heap of little place, people, whole heap of little place. so you can carry go around in a water house. But the left side there's some people. See me? Yeah. Big truck here with peace sign and hang out the road on the big truck. Why you do that, brother? My black, partially black one I lane there. Alright, tell you. So we have make away people I head down to 3 miles here, alright? Yeah. Toyota Jamaica they on the left hand side there's some people, yeah. So when you want the brand new Toyota them, over there so on the left side. IS bus, anything, coaster bus, yeah, over there so what is in the road is a cushion. Here you go, brother. Here you go. Where you don't go, brother? Where my drive out I go? Drive on the road there people, I tell you, those have to just take your time and look out for all sort of things. Yeah man, so the overpass down this so straight ahead of you, but we not go on it. We are going to take it underneath the bridge. You understand? Show you what go on underneath the bridge too. Thing and thing, your sight. Yeah. Why that truck you want to reverse? Like the fire rate down the people. So we might like you ever forget the glass clean, right? That's it? Yeah. That's it. Currently the fire rate right now. I make way now, people. Go downtown. So this are 3 miles area, right? Yeah. 3 miles this people. 3 miles. Alright, yeah, 3 miles this people. So like the change quick to cause you go for Amber them could have stopped. Yeah. So if we did the overpass, we'd have come and fight right or so. Yeah, right, so we'd have come and fight. I just take good time and go and make way still in the people. Yeah. You understand? Why them people feel like them to break the light? Or them not have a light? Oh, they don't have a light. Okay. Yeah man, so down here so now you know you have a couple garrison here too, cause you don't know you have like Delacree Lane, Delacree Park, Pienland or Pien Avenue. Yeah, you know where you go. You see me? You have them little place there too. You know further down you have some more hardcore place. You see me? Yeah. As me telling you, so this a road, I know the man them just create them own a lane when them a drive. Any way them feel like to drive, they just create them lane. You see me? Yeah. Them little yellow bus there, worst thing them on them road there, people. When you a driver, you see them a come, just give them way. Don't try much try with them. Don't go up against them. Give them way. But all a chuck ya, a create for him own a thing. Yo, telling you people, see that road here? Yeah man, if I never for the journey, normally what would I do? Would I go around and give drive? So reach a 3 mile less up, would I go around? Would I make the right? Go around and give drive and give drive and come back round. Yes, it's a little bit longer, but trust me, commute way safer and easier than this, me I tell you no. Up on the right now at the examination depot. Yeah, that's how you go do your thing them, you know? You get your driver's license and something. And go get your car certified, like to say it fit for the road and them little thing there. Yeah. Man, I can't wait. I'll create for him one lane too. And look, watch you now. Yeah man, that them say who wanna lane, you know. Yeah. Them say wanna lane people. So the stoplight them right at the intersection in our way. No, yes, I can take you around Waltham them side there, you see me? Here on the left. So what you pre now? See if you're there with me from the start and reach. Basically like, maybe like in the middle right now. But just as a big up yourself, you see me? Yeah man, if you watch from the beginning to reach to right, just a big up yourself, you see me? Yeah. As me telling you from the beginning of the video, say yo, that video is gonna really be a long one. Right now, me there fret about the editing when me are editing too. It's gonna take me a while. Yeah. It's gonna take me a little while, people, you see me? But that's how it goes still. As you know now, the intersection here, we're going to the left, Maxfield Avenue, that, yeah. See me? Over up on the right hand side, you know down there now, Greenwich Farm. Yeah. People, so still I take good time and make a way. I go downtown and a taxi and make him on a lane too. Alright brother, just drive out. Come in, where you going so far? You can't wait. Alright, and on the right hand side that the horizon. Our again, Adult Correctional Center or a Remand Center, I don't even know. But I prison people, alright, the prison over there, right hand side, yeah. You see me? Yeah. Yeah man, we basically there. I can call it so then Western Kingston in a some sense. Well, not really Western Kingston right now. Hold on the people, may I get a car? Hello? 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 Alright people, so that person anybody want to talk to me. So we just pass Dedham Town. This is Dedham Town police station for the left hand side here, so. You see me? Yeah. So yeah, as I said, this is Dedham Town Primary School. We rename it to Edward Siaga Primary I think. But yeah man, Western Kingston basically still people, yeah. You just call it that. You understand? Yeah. So basically reaching a downtown Kingston, you know, or almost reach a downtown Kingston. Yeah, down a town, yeah man, Coronation Market, yeah. On the right hand side of Tivoli Garden. So yeah, call it over there town. You understand? Yeah man. No, everything set up.
I like to put my own.
Yeah, man. Alright. Watch your pre now, because I want to make you see what go on, you know. Yeah, hold on. I'll take it round and so first. Side of curry. Yeah, coronation. Yeah. Take it side of your song, go round. See it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So as I say, mark it up on my left, garden up on my right, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we'll take the left turn road and so. I think this is Bedford Street. Yeah, I think so. Even though Darling Street police station dep on it. Yeah. I think over there on this while ago was Darling Street. Just turn off of Darling Street. I think this is Bedford Street now. You see me? Yeah, man. There's a Darling Street police station on the right. Yeah, man, so downtown Kingston people. Alright, man, I'll say them little apple lemon thing there, so. Alright, so nice, good journey so far, people. Oh, and we're in the Kingston part of Kingston and St. Andrew. Yeah, that's over there right now. So remember we showing the St. Andrew on Mandela Highway. A Kingston here so now. See, it's a West Kingston. You see me? Or I go all the way out of East Kingston. Yeah. So, it's a West Queen Street. I make a way about. Yeah, man, West Queen Street, downtown Kingston. Remember my Alright, we can't, but I woman him a chase. But think I be a chase, you know, because I'm going to tell him say you am I right away, you know. If I run the woman, I tell the woman to come out the road. Think I did me, he must up there with you know. BMW man to come out. Yeah, people, downtown, I didn't think I go on down as people, congestion. For no reason. So yeah, I the woman in my cuss. Come here say, I me that man a fan of a tell, but the woman in my tell to come out the road, I know me. She want to your people and people are selling right or so. Yo, it's serious, you know, man. People are selling right or so, people. And them water your sewage water this. Can I smell it? Yeah. Alright, so this is a parade with it basically. This is a not parade. Yeah. Them bus carry go to east and so. Which way we a go? Them bus carry go the Bull Bay them place eh. You see the Bull Bay bus them park, you see me? Yeah. So we're about to turn upon East Queen Street now, my people. Yeah. The already parade, you know? We're going to obey the little road sign here, the traffic signal. Yeah, over green you know, so I'm going to go here. Alright, yeah. So this is East Queen Street now, my people. Make go here, carry go to East Kingston, you know? Yeah. A madman, you know, people. You see how them taxi man a drive? You see how them taxi man a drive? Yo. Them taxi man is something else. Alright, so on the left side now, Central Police Station, you know, people. Yeah, the big station they down a town. Yeah, this are the headquarters for the Kingston station. You see me? Yeah. So all the station them in a Kingston. You saw them headquarters, you see me? Aye. I take good time and make a way out, you see me? On the left I saw a palace. See me? Yeah. Used to be a movie theater, but it's been closed now for a while, people. From I know it locked. Yeah man, from I know it locked down. I want you to me that talk about it in one of my next video too, and I think Rika comment and said the same thing too. She said from she know it locked down. Trust me. You know, anybody watch a video you know when know this one it used to open? I wonder what it was like. I don't know. feel kind of peckish too, you know, man. Yeah. Feel kind of hungry too. But the only thing forget right now are probably fast food, like probably KFC or something like that. Not necessarily did want that, you know. That not really full of belly, you know, cause trust me, that can't full belly. Right, you know, KFC does smell good. It does that right now. You see me? Yeah, it does smell good right now. I mean, I guess it still tastes good too. But, yeah. KFC not really full my belly right now. Some food would I want. Maybe some soup first and then, yeah. Maybe I pass out a yellow smith and get like a soup, you know? Yeah. Get like a soup when I pass out there. Oh, that's a Vauxhall High School from my left hand side of me just past people, alright? And as I say, yeah, within I think you have Camperdown High School is out here as well. Yeah. On the left side of Camperdown Road up on your turn. Yeah. And see the wall right there, so the back wall, and it's adjacent to Arrow's studio. So that's a Camperdown back wall. You see me? Me I assume still. But it must be because them paint got big on the logo they on it. And beside it, a Arrows studio. For a long time, veteran people we ever hear about, we know about, we deal with music and them little thing there. We know about Arrows. You see me? Yeah. Arrows studio. Big studio. Whole heap of artists used to go out there and think, no, artists still are going to see them way. You see me? But that was one of the studios that I carry the thing. Carry the swing back then. You get what I say? Yeah. Alright, so basically they're in East Kingston right now. They're in East Kingston community right now. You understand? Yeah, man. Out there so you have like Sheffield Road and Seabreeze Avenue. Yeah, I mean, them look a place there. Because the people that come from them place there, you get me? Yeah, man, you know the thing, man. You know the thing, man. You see it? Yeah. You have Outlook Avenue. Only people got thing, that place named Spike will make the juice them. You see me? You have Ocean View, only for little avenue. You see me? I think that one up on my left is Seabreeze. On my right, sorry. On my left was Homestead. I think that one up on my right is Seabreeze. On my left was Homestead Avenue. Yeah, you have Homestead Avenue, Waterloo Road, them place. On my left is again. On my right is again a Sigourney Drive. On my right. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man, but you know down there say you have Homestead Road and you have Waterloo Road and them thing there. Yeah, you never know say Waterloo Road there out in a garrison too. Think uptown alone. Yeah, taxi man, do it to the people them in there. I don't know who I couldn't drive so. Yeah man, so right just now up on the left a Mountain View Avenue, you see me? Yeah. Yeah man, Rockford Police Station, the right just at the corner of Fairburn Road. The left right just so named Lucas Road that. You see me I say, yeah. The next left here, Oliver Road. You see me? Yeah man, and the next left here, Warwicker Road. Carry go straight up to Warwicker Hill, yeah? Right up with the tank there. Yeah man, for the people familiar with the place, you remember that big blue tank there? Yeah man. straight up the side of the road they carry go. You know you have Nazwad Road and them place eh. You have a KFC out there, so I would have stopped, but KFC not really worth it. I mean, I look in there kind of look around. Not really worth it right now, may I tell you. Yeah. And by the way, this is a Winard Road with the panning of people. Yeah, Winard Road. Well, we are almost at the end of it too still, you see. Yeah. Yeah, man. Straight out the head of the road and see them silo there that a Jamaica flour mill. If we did for go there, we'd have go straight up the road there. Yeah, the road there would have carried straight up there. So basically reach at the end of Rockfort there, so. Yeah, man. And out to the side of Rockfort, them call it Rennock Lodge. Yeah, up on the hill part like Rennock Lodge, you see me? Right now we are approach Surf, we are going up on Surf Florizel Glass Bowl. What is this? Highway? Or Boulevard? One out of the two, but yeah. That's over there right now, you see me? So the silo them here for Jamaica flour mills. Somebody tell me what them do. Them store something in them there, what go on with them there? I don't know. Somebody tell me man, cause I don't know. You see me? So pretty much people who make a drive from west to east along the south coast pretty much. Yeah. Not exactly on the south coast, because if we probably go in a Portmore and drive from Portmore Highway, then that would have been the south coast. You see me? So yeah. And this truck can make it look a turn and it a go slow and it a do it look a thing and all of this thing. People, that's why when you drive here, you have to peel on this road here, you know. Because if it's a trailer, I'm often in a right lane to make that turn, yeah. You understand? And I guess him did have an indicator. So yeah. Just have to just take your time and watch the road when you are driving. You see it? Yeah. Oh, that's up on the left now. Rockfort Mineral Bath, but people every time me pass it, the sign say closed, so I don't think it's in operation. It's a big pool over there. You see me? Yeah. You can go swim and them little thing there. But I don't think it's in operation right now. But it's a Carib cement factory. Yeah man. Them place where cement come from, you know? Yeah. There's a Burger King out there, so to have a view in the people. Yeah. I think there's a Burger King out there. You know, might go grab here, might grab a burger people, because hungry for real in a real life, you know. Yeah man, I grab a burger. Carrying it through the drive-thru. Hopefully there's not a lot of delays. You know, I drive through there. We are going the people. KFC out there, see big sign there? Yeah. So we're in a Harbour View community right now, people. We have to Let's see if we can find the Burger King. Cause you know, I think me here say one Burger King out here. But I'm not sure. I think one out here. Yes, this out here. Aye. You will see no Burger King. Oh yeah, I see a sign. Alright. Alright, let's see the sign. Hopefully it have a drive-through. I think it have a drive-through now. See a sign to drive-through. Oh, yeah, alright. Look a car around there. Wow. Only for the ladies in the people. Yeah. Oh, go on. No. You don't want coconut chocolate, you know? Yeah. Eh? Yeah. A little donation? You have bills. You know what bills? So we're not going to divide this.
Yeah, with 30.
So $10 not go left, man. So who will get that $10 left? You take it because you do the maths.
Nah,
yeah. You're on the silver, so you might get them change. You might get them. Yeah, so you might make change then. Are you school in Kingston? Oh, so no related? So, una related? So una know one another? So una know one another? Eh? Yo, una know one another? So you don't know it's school in go? Oh. So you get here 30?
No, me and the school say about more in answer.
Oh. Alright, big up here? Yeah. Look at you, they must sell some chocolate thing and Ray. So, just in case you know try to figure it out, no, school not in session now, cause we just, you know, Easter just gone and them still up on them Easter break. So them out there, so they must sell chocolate and thing. So you may not want a chocolate still, but give them a bills. Yeah. Boy, people, I don't know if I have to go take out the party out of car. I don't even know how long I have to take you, sir. Tell you the truth, I don't even know how long. I have to take it at the party. God knows. I'll make you see what I go on still. So right now, Zin? Yeah, alright. So we kinda, yeah. Nothing I go on now with on a little pause. See? I want to go click like on the video. Click like on the video. You understand? Right now, like how they in I drive through and we are wait on the line. Click like on the video. Share the video. Drop a comment and Ray, all them little thing there. Drop a one comment and them little thing there. Because you see me I say, yeah. Because you have time now, can do it. What I might do? I might just either me speed up the party or me cut it out and something like back when me reach up at the front. When me reach up near up to the part for order, I might something like back people because yeah, you know the party don't really make no sense in a video. But when they are Harbour View, when they are Burger King, yeah. This is a fairly new Burger King in a people. Yeah. It's fairly new. Yeah man, so just in case you now wonder, did I when Burger King come here, sir? It new, see? Yeah. Fairly new my people. out of the menu board. So I'm gonna get one American combo. People them speak loud. Yes, I hear them speak up. Line I move kind of fast still, I'm not gonna lie to you. Line I move kind of fast. But yeah, I just get one American combo. That I get. Can't really do nothing still, but I guess I'll just get that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get. American combo. That's gonna be it. I'm like, nah, move too slow still, but nah, lie too now. So reach up at the window part, up at the menu board, you know, we'll see what I go on. Oh, so around here, so it look like you can enter around here and go park up. And look at them, I build more things around the two, you know, people, because this look like, no, wait, me not even know what I go on. I wonder if this is like the entrance to a different plaza. I see there's a kind of part of like zinc there. But I don't know. Yeah, so it look like you can go in there, but park up and get you. Yeah, like if you're dying, yeah, in there. As I said, there's a tasties as well, so it look like you can enter into the tasties round there so too. I see a car drive out and somebody a eat. They might eat a patty, so yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you not see the menu board good though people, but see the menu board there, that our Burger King menu board look like people, yeah? Me did say me da go cut out a party, but I guess it a run to cause later move faster than I expect. But this is a long video though people. I'm not telling no lie. The video is the longest video this may ever do people. Honestly. Longest video may ever do. Longest video this may ever do my people. Everybody's ordering American today. The car before that one I'm order 2 American, that one I order American too. Me I go order American. Yeah. I should probably take a milkshake in a people. One of them some of a vanilla shake, I go take it. Yeah. Order some more stuff. Alright, people. So see the menu board there? Yeah.
Alright, thanks for making it to Harvard Burger King. Go ahead.
Hello, can I get an American combo, please?
Never drink.
You have milkshake?
No, sorry about that. Coke, Sprite, grape, orange soda.
Alright, let me get a grape, please.
That completes your order.
Yes, that's it.
$9.50 the total. Person never payment.
Thanks. Alright, people, so them not a milkshake. But yes, the part of the plaza around there, so security I walk go back around there. So yeah. See me? It's your 9.50. So yeah man, so I guess you can enter in to the Burger King there, so. Thing. Yeah. Yeah people, so this is how Jamaican fast food drive-thru look like, yeah? Yeah. That's what it looks like, pretty much like every other drive-thru. Nah, line move faster than me did expect, but now I tell no lie people. But now I tell you no lie, me the think mother probably still the way around there, so barely a crawl. They move quicker so. Honestly they do. They do move fast. Thanks. Line move fast people, I'm not telling you no lie. They move quick. Them drive through your out and they move so fast, some of them people. Like all KFC right now, if me did ever go stop. People sometimes they didn't drive through me and say, oh Johnny, look you all tired and got to drive through and say, drop asleep. Yeah. Drop asleep in the people. So I like this. Go and munch on this, you know? Yeah. So, I just get a comment from one of my loyal subscribers, them Daniel. Daniel, they in Canada. So, he might ask me if it's a little bit cooler on cloudy days. I'm going to answer him shortly. I'm going to text and tell him. But, you know, just in case you wonder that too, some of you wonder like people were not really familiar with Jamaica, because Daniel is actually a Canadian, you know, like, yeah, Daniel isn't a Jamaican any at all. Him just have whole heap of Jamaican friend. You understand? So I'm kind of fascinated with the culture. So yeah, so he make me know from day one from him, you know, start tuning to the video. So not really, you know, Daniel. You see, sometimes when it's cloudy, it's still hot. Sometimes we have high humidity too, you know. You understand? Yeah, so not every day is a perfect day, even though at the Caribbean, you see me? But not every day is a perfect day. Hello. For me last ticket, number 80. For me last ticket, no get no food. We not say that way that do it. Oh, thank you. Alright. Yeah, so sometimes it's still hot, even though it's a cloudy day. Sometimes it's still hot, you know? So not every day. Yeah. It's still hot some days. Just to answer your question, Daniel, or for anybody else who might really wonder. Yeah. Yeah, man, and me. So you get $10, who get the $40? You know, joker, who not joker?
Come, change it now. Me have silver.
You have silver now?
Yeah.
Alright, this up on yourself.
30, no?
40 you might go get.
I'm trying to like a mean head and a medium mostly. 30 and 40. You check out what I'm at.
Yeah, big up on yourself, you know.
Alright.
Bless up there.
Remember me?
Yeah, them not easy, you know. Them people, so, I go a month for the fries, you know. And so I don't talk or eat, you know. So hopefully I don't bite my tongue, yeah? But I take my time, see? Yeah. So it's like overview about people. And I take my time. People out on my left hand side, nice little food spot. Yeah. In the night time them, nice little food spot people. You see me? Yeah. Nice little ends to come get some little punk and, you know, like sip. I know there are some of them that call it soup, they call it sip. Right now the meat. Yeah. So they can get all sorts of things out of it. But I like seafood. I think jerk chicken sell out there. I don't remember, you know. I don't remember. But trust me. Oh, that's up. At night time, I think every day of the week, you can get little something out there. Yeah. So if you're in that area in the night time and you want something to eat other than fast food, you can check them out there. So. And as we approach out there so now to people, you don't know, I say now all of my video them when me out there so. Out there so, at the home for the big unit them, the truck them and them thing there. Yeah man. Boy, I don't know nowhere else in our country where so much truck there. While traveling. No, actually no lie. I'll be a truck. Because you have whole heap of quarry out there, so maybe you have whole heap of quarry at Clarendon side too, so maybe down there or something there too, I don't know. That left there up there so people can go shoot at it. I say nah, all of my video them. And people, the water out at sea looks so beautiful. When you supposed to tired of hear me, I say this every time I come out here. Yeah. Walk on nice out here. You know I meet out at St. Thomas side, out at Roselle out the side, that's pretty too. Yeah. Nice and fresh. Yo. I don't know. Be does out there too. So right now we're basically there. And Bull Bay area people. Yeah. Yeah man, this is bull day here, my people. You see me? Yeah. And them a build a bridge out here, so you know. Yeah man, them a build a bridge out here. It's up on the right hand side. Look a bit further out. And right beside this bridge, them also building a bridge right across from it. On the right side. They're building another bridge. Yeah. Why dust come like dust I want to start out here now. Especially them big truck there, you know, people, yo. Big truck a come, make hurry up and go around. Yeah. Plus I say yo, big up to every fast food worker too, you know. You know what you think, you know, bless up on yourself, you know. Yeah man. So I got telecommunications people them, yeah. Alright, so them a put up on that piece of part of road there, yeah, so yeah, cause last time I out here whenever I did that drive on the side there. Yeah. But people, as me I tell you now, when you now come out there, so like just for city, the coastline and everything there, it's beautiful man, trust me. You know, if you just stop and take it in, trust me. I think some out there so them have one beach named LiQWYD. I will be area I think. I think that's something out there side there. Because like even them community and them part right up on the right side. Like if you make your way go down in one of the lane them or on one of the road them, like you should be able to go to the beach itself, you see me? On the coastline, yeah. And me I tell you, it's supposed to be beautiful. I think the water rough up on that side, out there, so still enough people. Yeah, because them do surfing out there, so. Yeah. Me I eat, you know, so try me so quiet. Me I wind up the window a little bit, you know. Because that truck here jump off, whole heap of dust. don't eat my sandwich. Look like them with the road recently or shortly, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, so we have a nice good piece of stretch right there, so. Yeah, not too bad, you know. Big unit here come. That jump does. That's a bread chuck on the left side. Yeah. Jamaican hard do bread. Yeah, man. Alright, so see the bridge now up on my right side. Yeah, stretch, cut through the hill and thing. Them a do some paving pan it. I don't think them done yet. Them a do some paving. I think me see some things. The Prime Minister come out here yesterday. Come tour the whole stretch of road, you know? From out here to go all the way to St. Thomas, yeah. So when it done, we're gonna just chop it through the hillside there, so. So the part up on the left where we are going, we're not going to use it. You know, look bad no people. Yeah man, you know, look bad at all. Going out there, so now domestic dispute. It might look like a domestic dispute, people. Alright, what you free now, people? I go over there parish of St. Thomas now. See sign there? Yeah. Just stop it. So yeah man, we're in a parish of St. Thomas now. So we drive from inner St. Catherine, go through St. Andrew and Kingston basically. So we're in St. Thomas now, where I make away people. And as I say, we are go Mariam Bay. We are going to stop it at the Mariam Bay roundabout. You know what, that's how we stop most of our video them, isn't it? Yeah. So that's how we're going to stop them. Still in the community of Bull Bay, but in the parish of St. Thomas. Yeah, so if you never know, now you know. Bull Bay stretch from St. Andrew over in St. Thomas. See? Alright, so if you never know, now you know, alright? Yeah. So when them done the bridge, them whole of them party, we nah go drive yourself to go a country again, people. For God St. Thomas, you see me? They through the hillside up there, so. Yeah. Straight through the hillside. Watch a big unit here. Oh! Yo, but I'm telling you the people, if you don't like big truck and them something there, do not drive come out here. Yeah? Remember me telling you. I'm still there with you know my people. See me? And this 11 miles Bull Beer. Over there right now. Yeah. Oh, yeah man, I'm still there. I'm still there with you know my people. I'm still there. And if you still there with me, big up yourself. You understand? Yeah. Big up yourself. You get me? Yeah man, you know what thing go. I don't play a thing this a journey and I don't play a thing people. From all the way a whole harbor town to Mariam Bay roundabout, yeah? Yeah, right now we can say we're there about almost 3/4 maybe, I don't know. Maybe. I think we reached 3/4 yet. But we're there over half, well over half. So maybe reach almost 3/4. Yeah, for the journey. The people just to kind of sip out half of my juice. So I think yesterday the bridge I got dropped out. No, they're building a housing development around us, so sorry. So from right side there, so it's a housing development I build this, so yeah. My bad. Yeah, the road I gonna come somewhere down here, so. I mean if them are gonna make a overpass or something, but yeah. The bridge I gonna drop it back out there, so then yeah. So housing development I got there up there, so I'm telling about, and then the bridge, the road I link you back right there, so. You understand? So yeah, link you back on pan that one here, so you get me? Yeah man. Yeah, my people, same way so. So you know that I'll make the way a little shorter. Yeah, it's probably a little bit steep, but it's gonna make it shorter. Even go on for the next side too. Yeah. Good work, come on people, I'm not lie to you. Swine the beer, you know me, you know? Yeah. You see, live out here. As I say, you can know who live out here, you know, once you look upon them vehicle, you know. You can know. This is good. How long some I dust here, people? I'm not lie to you. Yeah. So another part of the road right here, so now we go road. So we're on low out here, so people, yeah, so I'm my least favorite part. I'm my least favorite part right here, so people. Me not like you, so none at all. Especially at night time when me and drive, yeah, so I thought that in the whole of the video them. Out there, so me not like it, people. Me not like it, none at all. None at all, people. Be a dust. The worst part of the road out there, so. Yeah. Yeah man, the worst part of the road out there, so people. Me not like it. Can't deal with it, people. Be a dust and dirt. People, I get a glimpse from the ocean a while ago and yo, beautiful. Beautiful. I might have to stop at Roselle and show you all the ocean. Even though this has been such a long journey, might have to stop there, yes. But there's somebody comment and say, boy, them love how me reason with them like them in the car with me. Them feel like them they in the car. We say, yeah, I saw it for go, man. Nah, tell no lie, you know. I just say it set up. But yeah, man, me not like them parts of people. Trust me. Turn on the air conditioner a little bit in the people car. I'll be just around on them side here. Chuck the road so you know. Ahead of we? Yeah. So we have to go slow right now, is it? Sorry about the sun in the camera here, you know? Yeah. But not for long still. And very shortly we have a nice little piece of road now too. We have a go on. Man, so see the road there, it go link back right there, so go through the hillside, you see me people, yeah. So it go come out back right down here, so yeah. People are supposed to can see the coastline and all, yeah, they're supposed to can see it there. Yow. It's nice, yeah man. St. Thomas with the view people, St. Thomas with the view, yeah. The truck gone and run, you know. Yeah? Truck gone and run. Oh, yeah, the guy get a pallet on it or something. I mean, I thought that truck here, that truck over by next side, not the our side. Remember the road so I know they said the back of me. See me now. Yeah man, I him this. Him live here man. Feed vehicle. Him live here. Like a taxi him all around with a van the people, I swear. Out there so still a Albion. You understand? Yeah. Albion community out there people. weather nice out there today, people, I'm not lying. I mean, the weather always nice, but, you know, yeah. I'm going to wind up back a little bit, because a little dust stay down there, so. Tractor go with a bag of things down there. So them pave out just recently. Yeah. It's a good look. I like it. Where you go, brother? Where you go? Where the madman you go? It's an idiot. Yo, some of them man, I don't know where the man come up on the sofa. And him not dip on the side here. Yo! Judge, I know. Shut down up this up on the left. Not sure the taxi are clean. So we making our way, people, making our way. Still there. And big up yourself if you still there upon that journey, I see it? Yeah man, big up yourself if you're still there. I'm not tell no lie. You see me? Yeah man, and remember if you don't click like yet, click like on the video. No people, no. Click like on it and drop a comment if you're still there, make me know. Just say yo, I'm still there. You see me? Yeah, or comment, I'm here. You understand? Yeah. around, man. What are people coming night? Taxi around. Nah, ask. So basically, the Yalas community right now, people, yeah. This over there right now, you see me? Yeah, so I'm going to call it with a quarter of the journey, 3/4 of the journey now, or a little bit over 3/4. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, man, so we soon reach our destination, you know? Yeah, might be runabout. Yeah, man, we're almost there, people. This has been a journey, me not lie to you. Yo, people, but not even did think about it, to tell you the truth. Come and say, yo, this is going to be one blowout drive, you know? Yeah, but not even did think about it, to tell you the truth, and it's not that bad. Stop, we all get little lunch, you know? Yeah, little burger. Never that bad, people. Yeah, we'd have little delays at Spanish Town, this so, but it wasn't that bad. Honestly, it wasn't. Yeah, man, so you know y'all see here now you can get little things. See me, you can get some jerk this and jerk that, you can get festival, breadfruit, all them good things, soup. See a soup man, yeah? Yeah, my people. Y'all are stone this, and just like everywhere, you know, as you approach, you look at town area, you know, you always have look at delays and then look at things there, you see me? As you see, when we da approach, when we start in a whole Harbour town, look at delay did there. When we reach in a Kingston downtown, look at delay. When we did Spanish Town area too, look at delay. I don't know what I say, no? Always look at delay in a town center there. Always have little delay. And the man decides to stop us. Yellowstone. no way. Catch back that big unit here down here, so, you know. Yeah. So it look like water truck went right or so, which is good. Yeah, a while ago this a kick up only for this. So that's a no yellow span. Yeah, that area they were in right now, people. You know about yellow span? Yeah. This over there, you understand? Wind up window again a little bit in the people because you can see the dust. Yeah. And we're just some very bad people. You can hear the car and it be nice. Mask, some form of face covering because you say you're so serious, you know. So I guess them a grade off, yeah, so all them a dump it up and grade it off. Yeah. Okay. Boy, the work I go on, you know, people. But now I tell no lies still. It'll take a while, but them a do them little thing, you know? Yeah, them a do them little thing and see how. Yeah. Operate this big old shovel mount sitting here. Yes, I. Work a go on, people. Work a go on. Shuffle up over this. So people can check out that work there, you know, because that's the wave sit wave till they start shuffle up, you know. Back at this big unit here take a little time, you know. People, and as you know, we're gonna go through white horses. See me? Yeah. We're gonna pass through all Roach Gully and them place there too. unit, you know? Yeah, man, I have to reverse and let him run. You know, I think go. But wipe the glass short, little people. Problem reach out a Roselle, I wipe it off, you know? Yeah. One road doctor, you have your over there. Yeah man, a taxi my run people. With the Prada here, you know? Yeah. Taxi my run. Watch our house up on the left side with them a build. Huge, you know, man. Wind up window people. Eat us. Yo. Yo, that's a rocky and bad. Yeah. You do some with us to people, I'm telling you. Water truck need to go wait out there, so. Why people more wipe the glass, but I'm afraid. Afraid it turn in a mud, too much dirt upon it. We're gonna stop out our results still. Oh yeah, this is St. Thomas Road currently, people. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, try to make every scene in front of you. Beer dust, people, beer dust. St. Thomas Road, these people currently. Watch them man here. Man here, them man here say road. Yeah. Outside. And him say the road. Telling the people if you can't deal with the big truck thing, don't come out here. Obey the flag man or the flag woman, whoever they want to be. Alright, so our time you know. So you see a little grading off of go on here so too. Yeah. Grading a go on to people. See me and pressing a go on. Whole heap of dust out there though. Whole heap of dust people. Whole heap of dust. Get a phone call, people. Hello? No, check I'm here to St. Thomas. So I'm gonna pick up my niece, them man. Oh, so you know. So finish. I'm call you back. I'm gonna stop. Because I need to wipe off all the glass here. Or you can come back when you're done. Yeah, cool. Yeah, people, alright, so road I press out here, so them wet the road too, so it's not so bad right here, so you know? Yeah. It's not so bad. Alright, and over there so look like it pressed too. So I make a way, people, I make a way. You see me? Yeah. Yes, I'm going to press them part here some more. Or over the next side, yeah. You see them gravelly lay down up. But if you can't see out, I see you the coastline to you know, people. Yeah. The water look flat to you, look calm out there. Good for spear fishing. Bear with me if the glass kind of dusty and dirty and them something, alright? I so stop and clean it off. Yeah. So right now we are going through the white horses community, you know, people, yeah. The place that them sell the mango, them and everything, but people and every one of them people I want to buy mango from. Trust me, because some of them are selling some young mango them are sell people. Yeah. Young mango. Alright, so I go and make a way. I get to a section 2 soon and very soon with them called Roach Gully, you know. Yeah. See it here? Dog in the gully. Yeah. Roach Gully has a name, so I don't know if you can see up on the top up there, so up there where I go where. You see some car there. Yeah, see some vehicle here come round. Yeah. Yeah, man. Up on the side there where I go people. Yeah, yes sir, Roach Gully. Look out for your tour of right there, so you know. Yeah man, I go do a walk right there, so you know. Yeah. Up the hill and back down. Yeah. And here on me, I wonder if it's a truck or down on the flat or if it's coming around. That's a serious people. I don't play a thing. St. Thomas Road, yeah? I don't play a thing. So that was Roach Gully, people. Roach Gully. First when I hear about it, yeah man, Roach Gully, that was a while ago, people. So as I say, I saw white horses and them sell mango and them thing here. So I have a video of me buy some mango from one lady. She and her friend did out there, one elder brother. I tell her, them mango they did good still. I not too complain about them. Them they the best mango them ever buy since me I come out here. I not gonna lie to you. Best mango. You see me? Yeah. People want to wipe the glass, you know, but afraid me I wipe it still. Cause I gotta stop and see if I can get a proper wipe still, you see me? This man doesn't really look like he have so much, you know, bearings kind of middle road I walk. Yeah man, I think somebody has some stop, alright? Somebody did stop with a stall there. She said she just come out. Yeah man, right to somebody did stop a thing. Yeah man. She and her friend did it. Like she not out yet. people who sell all food and they sit there right there. But be a dirt fully. You know. Right, my people, take your time. I get closer to the waterfalls, you know. Roselle area. Yeah. I get closer and closer to this. See where the glass are going with little bit of people. People are a whole heap of dirt to run off of the thing, you know, man. A whole heap of dirt, people. Whole heap of dirt. And a little bit of dirt. Whole heap of dirt. Alright, work with that for now. Some people they sell mango again. Boy, I stop all their songs and me that try them, but never work out for me people. Never work out at all for me. And as you know, out of the side, they are my favorite side. You see me? Yeah. My favorite part of St. Thomas, out of the Roselle area, you know, people. What? Look on the coastline and the beauty of the beach or the ocean or the sea, whatever you want to call it. And if you can hear it. Yeah, and the water not really too rough today compared to some days when I see out there, I come out there, you know. Days I come out there, it's a clap, you know, man. Yeah. Nice, man. Nice people, but nah, I lie to you. I don't think I go bother stop and wash off the glass again, you know, cause this no look tree bad, how me I look on it so. Yeah, it no look tree bad at all. Yeah. I want to tell you not to say we soon reach we journey with destination too. Yeah. So see waterfall, yeah. Man, I full up with water truck with it, so you know I see water run down, but that is it, my people, yeah. I full the water truck with the pipe them, and the water run go straight to the top part there, so it, you know, the opening there. Yeah, go continue with the road and thing, you know. Watch waves. Think you have a brother sell jelly and them thing they out there, so might drink a one jelly, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, might stop for about 5 minutes. Drink a one jelly. But me not see. Are you so? Or further down? Like a further down. I like him sell jelly and them things. So, oh, some fisherman them there. Like him sell jelly and some other little fruits, kneesberry. Them little thing there, but I don't see him. Suppose out there, so if my memory serves me correctly, Water flat and calm still, me nah lie. Yeah. Yeah, look like him out there, people. You can grab a one jelly. Alright? Yeah, so for the people them who journey with me, I go drink a one jelly for now. Who they up on the journey? Yeah, I'm drink a one jelly, make sure park yourself so you can see the thing there, you know? Yeah. Wow, go on and take. So far with them peeps. Take up some cash. People are right at the coastline, people, right at the coastline. What? The truck when I left around start coming up. We're not gonna see it when it pass. Alright people, so when I see the man lick up thing where him have a go on, I drink a one jelly, it nice. I go around this right on the side there so people and it nice man. See me, so that's so you can get a closer look on him thing. Look at mango there, the knees berry there. Yeah man, it nice people. Jelly was refreshing too, you know? Yeah. And the water never too rough as me say. You know, it never too bad my people, so it's a good look. So right about now we soon reach out to the Mark Bay roundabout to people, yeah? So reach out there. That's been a really good journey still. Me not like, wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad people, I ain't gonna lie. It wasn't too bad. So give thanks for everybody who journey with me now. Remember, I want to click like on the video, I want to click like, I want to share it as I said. Drop the video in on the WhatsApp group man. Drop it in the WhatsApp group them on there. You get what I say? Yeah. And any school group, school teacher, anybody who use that video for whatever wanna use it for, whatever purpose. You see me I say? Any school group, any student, anybody, big up on yourself. You see me say? You see me I say? Yeah, big up on yourself. Shout out to you. You see me? Yeah, man, big up the whole class right now, or the whole group right now. We are pre that video, alright? Yeah, bless up for yourself, man. Don't know the thing, guy. 8765 Bergs, man. Left a comment what I want to know. Yeah, left a comment, man. Alright? Yeah, let me know which group, anywhere would I want it. University, any level, high school, any level, college, any level. It's in my primary school, be any level, basic school, any level. Just left it. You see me? Could I even be an overseas school as well too? Drop on the comments. You see me? Yeah. Somebody left a comment, man. I make me know what I go on. See it? Yeah. Yeah, man, my people. So reach out here go, you know. Yeah. So reach out here go, people. As you know out of so, which part of the old Goodyear factory there, you know them are gonna build the Marant Bay, what is it? Is it the urban center or something like so? Them are gonna build like a plaza, shopping mall thing like. You understand? Yeah. I gonna build out the people, so I'm mad pre. Mad pre when that build people. People are gonna just want to drive, come and St. Thomas, to St. Thomas are gonna nice. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. Mad pre, me I telling the people. So right about now, I just want to shout out to everybody where they are from the beginning of the journey up until so right now. I go all a drive through out the Harbour View, go grab some lunch and all of them things there. Yo, I just say, yo, give thanks, you know, man. I try to look on my phone to see about what time now. This has been a drive, you know. Yo, this has been a drive, yo. Yo. Trust me. Nah, lie my people, yeah? That's been a drive. From the start till now, yo. That video long, you know? Yeah, I mean I upload highlight one time. Nah, split it. Yo, big up on yourself if on a day up, if on a journey with me from start to the end, alright? Yeah, man, bless up on yourself, man, and don't know the thing, man. I'm grateful for Uno take on the journey with me, you see me? Yeah, man, so over here up on the left already the old Goodyear factory used to there, and over here so them are gonna build the urban center, I guess. Alright? Yeah, big space, people, you see it? All of this a fence up, and we just want to shout out to the contractors them for over here, so because them green zinc, I where did zinc up the Goodyear tire factory and them reuse it, so we like to see them little thing there. We like that, you understand? So big them up. Yeah, man, big them up for that, man, you see me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. So that is it now, people. I almost reached to the roundabout right now. I can't stop say, yo, thanks for keep me company on that journey. Everybody, you see me? Viewers them from out of USA, viewers them from out of UK, viewers them from out of Africa, viewers them from out of Asia, the Caribbean viewers them, the people them where they are yard, yeah, so yo, my jam rock people them. Yo, I'm telling you, man, big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself, man. Grateful, my people. I give thanks. Shout out to the new people them over here, to the subscriber them. Special shout out to you if for the first time you find the channel by watching this video. Big up yourself, you see me? Yeah, man. And if you watch the entire video, comment under yourself. Comment right now and make me know, say, yo, from start to end. Just comment that from start to end. I'm gonna know, say, you watch the whole video. You understand? Yeah, man, just comment from start to end, man. Yo, this is one big task for you to take on the video, you still, you know. Nah, tell a lie, but yeah, man, comment that, man, from start to end. You see me? Yeah, and if you're new over here, so another video you make you find the channel, I want you to comment and say, yo, first time, or newbie. Comment newbie, yeah. You see me? So yeah, man, comment newbie, man. So with all that said and done, my people, you don't know 876 by Bert, and I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.